speaking my language. We both got something to say. We getting close, getting dangerous, and no one can get in our way. Pull up and put on the case. Us in the world type of way. We stay ahead of the race. Look up to the sky when we aim. So diggity da 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 da. Diggity da 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 da. Live hard by some diggity da 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 da. Diggity da 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 da. Diggity da da da.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. This is my type 4 beautiful natural hair, and it's not where I desire it to be yet, but y'all, it's growing, it's healthy, it's strong, and until I get to my goal length, y'all know I know how to finesse some extensions. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that and make it look like your real hair. I know I'm going to get questions about my head wrap. Y'all, this thing is so bomb. I'm going to link it down below. It's pre-tied. It's so amazing. It's everything. But now let's get into this hair. It's a whole situation. Y'all, this unit is by Innovative Wigs. The last video that I did, if you did not see that one, you need to make sure you check out that one as well. It was very detailed. I'm going to try to be as thorough in this video as I was in that one. So this unit is a thin part unit, and I'm sure you guys have seen that these type of units have been trending lately. These are units that you can wear with leave out and without, which is so cool. And if you do wear your hair out, you only need a very thin amount of leave out. The cap is really breathable. You can actually put your fingers through the back, which is going to allow your scalp to get oxygen, and that's always a good thing. To tighten it in the back, you do get adjustable straps, and along the part there are clips so that you can actually secure it down. So now let's get into the specs. This unit is called Jennifer, and Jennifer and I are hair twins. This hair is in the kinkiest curl pattern, which is my hair texture. I just love that. It looks just like my hair, and it's in length 20. I don't believe they have that length on the website currently, but I'd recommend getting it shorter, especially for the summertime. Mine is also in 180% density, and I wouldn't recommend going higher. This is thick enough. Now, I've said this a number of times, but y'all, don't wear your units like this. Right out of the package, the curls look good, but they're not as natural as they can be, and I see so many girls doing this. Actually co-wash your hair, and I like to use Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner. By the way, I did already saturate that hair with water, and I like to detangle using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that now, and then I'm going to come back on when we move on to the next step.
Yeah. It's just a drive. You know what it is. Yeah. Woodstock free vibes on me. Music ease my lonely. Yeah. I've been up since I don't know where I am. Trying to create a vibe. Trying to get these hours in. Punching the clock, I get it. Gotta go hard with it. 100, I'ma start with it. Coach looking for starters. Hop in the game, I'm like Harden. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Yeah.
All right, now that I've rinsed out the conditioner, I'm using a microfiber bonnet in order to squeeze out some of the excess water, and this helps to reduce friction and also to retain moisture. So now I'm going to apply my stylers, and for the stylers, I'm going to be using the curl defining glaze and also the coconut curling cream by Cantu, and I also decided to add Uncle Funky's curl definer. Now that one created some flaking, so I wouldn't say that this combo is a good one. This was my first time trying the 3 products together, but I'd recommend either doing the Uncle Funky's by itself or doing the curl defining glaze and the coconut curling cream paired together, but not all 3. right, now we need to prepare our natural hair prior to installing the unit, and you can do so by teasing the roots near the part, and this is going to act as an anchor. You could actually cornrow your hair, but if you do so, you need to cornrow really small. But it's important that the area near the part is not slicked down. I previously had gel, so I did spray on some water first, but you don't have to do that. But the frizzier, the better. Now, this tip is very important. You also need to make sure that the area near the part on the unit is also frizzed out. So you want to take a comb or a brush and begin using circular motions or just kind of pick it out. You want to get that part as frizzy as possible. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate now, and then I'm going to install the unit. And I did find that using circular motions with the brush was much easier. So try that method first. The comb is cool, but the brush is better in those circular motions.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch doors. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri. Way you look at me is staggering. Way I break out, songs as factory. Way I look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch doors. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All right, the unit is already installed. I'm going to show you guys a full pan of what the unit looks like before fluffing it out. Now, keep in mind, it looks better when it's fluffed out, especially near the roots, because you want to blend out the area where you created frizz near the parting area. So if you only want to do that part, that's a good idea. But y'all know I love big hair, so I'm going to fluff out the entire unit. But that's just a quick tip.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject, I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma weather through it. Calling me a boy, can we make it boy? I feel the heat like a summer solstice. Running out of words, running out of choices. I can hear the smile and the tone of voice, yeah. And it's something about that moon. Make your lips taste just like June. Falling faster into you.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch doors. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
Oh, baby, I can't get you off my mind. And I really like it. Swear I love you like nobody else. When you kiss me, get my body chill. I wanna give all of me to you. Tell me you feel what I'm feeling too. Swear I really don't know what to do, 'cause I'm going crazy. Boy, like how you made me.
Y'all, this turned out so well. This is my hair, every inch of it. It looks so good. Now, as I was editing the video, I realized that I should have probably frizzed out my hair in the back near the parting area a little more, just to conceal that portion. So be sure to do that so that you conceal that area a little better. That's just something to keep in mind. It still looks good, but it could have looked even better had I done that. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make the unit look like a headband wig, positioning the unit and then clipping it down. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with leave out and then some quick styles.
Grass is greener on my side. That's my baby, the sunlight. Nobody like you, yeah, I mean that. Give me all the love, yeah, I
You
need
got the
that.
summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch doors. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
Now be sure to position the unit a little better if you're going to wear the type of headband that I have on currently, but a wide stretchy headband like I'm showing you all now is a better option. That's going to cover that entire area. You won't have to worry about it being shown at all. Now let me show you guys what it looks like with leave out. You only need a little bit.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, I gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I gave you all that you asked of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. So I'ma disappear like magic.
This looks so amazing, but I do wish that it was offered in color 1B. As you all know, I recently got my hair dyed black, so the natural color of the unit has more of a brown tint to it and it doesn't blend as well. So I'll probably end up having to dye the unit on my own. But what I love about installing the unit this way is if the wind blows, because the texture is so similar to mine, it still looks like it's my hair. But you could style it behind your ears. You could style it in a half up, half down. There's so many styling options and I'm going to show you guys some of those now. Alright, y'all, I have one more style to show you, but this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check the description for all the links and specifications for this unit. I also have a discount code provided for you guys in the description box. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that